I hate having to come home from work to discover that I have a lamp that doesn't work. Vending machine doesn't want to light up its bulb. Well, I can see on either end here, not blackened, so the bulb itself is fine. Chances are my starter has gone bad, which is impressive. It's probably the original one. Alright, let's go see if I can go find another one. Okay. So I usually keep a small stash of ballasts hiding in here somewhere. Alright, so I went through my pile of spare starters, and it seems all I seem to have here are FS4s. FS4s are designed for like 4-foot long lamps. I mean, the other equivalent I have is this thing, one of these Japanese ones, but, well, look at the type of socket there, look at the type of socket there. Neither of these are going to work. This is an FS2 type starter. They do actually have a spec, there we go. It does have a specification it needs to work with for some lamps. And that one rolled away here, and this appears to be my last FS2. This one here, I believe, actually, I took out of an abandoned farmhouse because the starters are worth more than anything for the right people. Alright, and these are pretty easy to put in. Just find the hole in the dark, twist it in, and give it a moment, and we'll see if it starts. Ah, there we go. Okay, yep, just the starter. Easy enough fix.